Hello there everyone. I've got something to show you. Something turn up in the post. Something turn up from Look Fantastic. And I don't know what's in it. You get this box when you reach level 2 of their loyalty scheme. So they send this out if you just place any order. You haven't got to have a minimum spend. So I just got a couple of things. I'll show you what I got. And then we'll open this and see what's inside. So I got a hair dye. So I got this L'Oreal Preference 8.23 Santorini Medium Rose Gold. It should take on my hair because I think my hair is probably this darkest one, and it does show that it does take to it. So I'm hoping it'll work. I also got this to try. I've never had this either. It's called Shrine Drop It Multi-use non-permanent toner drops. You put it in your conditioner, and however bright you want it to come out, you put in more drops. The brighter you want it, the more drops you put in. I've never had it, so I don't know if it's effective or not. I've never seen inside here, so I'm going to look. It says it comes with a little silicone bowl. Isn't that cute? I wonder if they come with different coloured bowls depending on what colour you buy. Because I've bought like a rose, what is it called? Rose toner. And I got a little pink bowl. I wonder if you bought like a different colour toner, if it comes with a different bowl or not. And then there's just the drops, instructions, and that's it in there. Exciting. Thought I'd try it. I'd prefer to just have a little tin of something, you know. And I also got another sponge because it was on offer. I think this was originally £6. But they had it on offer for £3, so I thought, oh, I'll just snap it up. You always need a sponge every once in a while. You have to get a different one or they go all gross, don't they? So yeah, I've got one of those for when I want it. I can open it up and have a feel. Very smooth. It's by So Eco. Yeah, it does feel nice and I like the colour. So I'm happy with that. Right, let's get to the exciting thing. What's in here? So excited. I thought, oh, I'm never going to get in it, but it's got one of the pull things. Opening it up, there's a little bag in there. Okay, so it comes with this lovely magazine. It says what's in the box, so everything in it is there. So let's see. Here's a bag, nice and velvety, and it says Look Fantastic on it. Let's see what's inside. Open it up. And there's inside. Right, so what have I got? Concentrated scented hand cream. Let's have a little try of that. And that is 50ml. Let's just squirt a bit. And I'll see what it smells like and feels like. Can't smell anything much. It says it's scented. Yeah, it's just a very faint smell, but it feels like a balm. Feels like it would be very good for your hands in the winter if you've got dry knuckles and things like that. So that's handy. And then what have I got? Medicate Micellar Mousse, 40ml. Ooh, I look forward to trying that. I have got this eyeliner. What does it say about that? Is it 3 inner? 3 INA it says. The 24-hour pen eyeliner worth £14.95. This eyeliner is the best of the colour pen eyeliners with 14-hour long wear and a super precise tip. I'm not going to open that because I've already got one open. Sorry guys, you can't see it. Christophe Robin clarifying scrub with sea salt, 40ml. That one there. The award-winning scrub has become a hair care saviour for both women and men. The best-selling scrub features a hybrid formula combining 2 potent ingredients to soothe even the most sensitive scalps. Oh wow, that's good for me then, because I get an itchy head all the time from various things I'm putting on it. Let's open it up and have a smell and a look at it. Doesn't smell of much, but then you'd expect that for something for a sensitive scalp. So yeah, that'd be interesting. I've never ever had a scalp scrub before. I've had face and body, but never a scalp one. It'll be in my empties and you'll hear what I think about it. What's this? First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. So intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin. worth £6. Enriched with shea butter, eucalyptus, oatmeal and ceramides. The antioxidant element of this moisturising formula also provides protection against free radical damage. Directions: apply from head to toe, once or twice daily or as needed. Okay, so it's for face and body. I look forward to trying that. I've never had any First Aid Beauty. I think there's one more thing. What is it? Oh, it's By Terry Brightening CC Serum, worth £15 for 7ml. I think I'm going to open that and we're going to have a look at that. Perfect your complexion with By Terry's Cellular Rose CC Cream, a colour control elixir that delivers brightening, moisturising and correcting properties to rejuvenate dull skin. I wonder if that provides much coverage, but I wasn't expecting this. Oh, and it's got a seal on it, but I'm going to open it. We're going to see what it looks like. Let's do it on this hand. It just flew out. Be careful if you get it. It's just flown out. Does it say what shade it is? Sunny Flash, Rose Blanche, White Rose. I've got a funny feeling you're supposed to really rub it in and it'll give you a tint. Yeah, you can see things through it. It's not a you know, like a foundation or anything like that, and it does have a lot of luminance to it, doesn't it? Look at that sheen compared to my hand, and it's giving it quite a bit of colour, so that's an interesting product. Probably use that when I've got more of a tan. That's how it was when it came out, and then I rubbed it in. Oh, is it drying down more now? Yeah, it does leave a luminance though. So yeah, that was all my products in there. That was fun, wasn't it? If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Scrub Lavant Purifiant. Purifiant. Blah de blah blah. Oh God, I'd give up. Hello. Perfect. Can't even stab it.